have been creating vision boards for the past 5 years, ever since I got to know about the power of it. It's truly a magical way to manifest your dreams faster. I have manifested so many of my dreams like dream life partner, dream home, buying myself iPad, MacBook, iPhone, all within the same year. My pregnancy, visiting places like Goa, Hampi, Vargala, infinity gold ring, habits, and even some home appliances. So I knew a thing or two about manifestation and vision board. I have categorized this video into chapters so that it is easy for you to watch and you don't have to watch any more video about creating a vision board for 2025. Grab a drink and take your notes. Let's dive deep into creating your vision board that works for you in 2025. Chapter 1. What's a vision board? For those who are new to the term vision board, let me explain what it is. Vision board is a powerful tool that helps you to manifest your dreams using pictures and text that represent your dream lifestyle. It could be either a physical vision board like you see in grids and cardboards, or a digital vision board like a laptop or phone wallpaper. There are numerous benefits of using a vision board. It helps you to stay focused on specific goals, acts as a motivation booster when you lack one, helps build self-confidence, and also give you the sense of purpose. Chapter 2. How manifestation works. Let's see the science behind the power of manifestation. Based on the quantum theory, everything and everyone around you vibrates with an energy. When your energy aligns with what you desire in the universe, that's when your manifestation comes true. Even every thought you have is influencing the reality of your life, which means you are consciously manifesting every second of your life. So manifestation and achieving goals go hand in hand when you put in the work to make it happen. Chapter 3. Mindset to nurture. Before jumping to creating your vision board, let's look into the mindset you need to nurture in order to manifest all of your dreams. Your mindset plays a major role in manifestation. Although 90% of achieving your goals is due to hard work, that remaining 10% is based on what your mindset is. This is why you could see that successful people are focusing majorly on nurturing their mindset. Mindset shift number 1. I'm responsible for my life. A victim mindset only lowers your vibration and makes you downplay your abilities as if you have accepted the reality of nothing works for you. This is the lowest frequency one could be in, which is not allowing you to manifest your dream life. Stop blaming others and stop giving excuses for your current circumstances, because you are where you need to be, and if you're in this situation, your mindset is a major reason for it. So start seeing your life as it's happening for me and not to me. Once you take full responsibility of your life, you will start working on things that are in your control and eventually manifest your dream life. Mindset shift number 2, the abundance mindset. Often we focus on things that are lacking in our life. This is another lower frequency that doesn't favor manifestation. No matter what situation you're in, there must be at least 1 to 2 things that you could be grateful for. So shift your focus from what is lacking to what is working for you. Genuinely believe that there is enough success, love, and opportunities for you. Start practicing gratitude every day. Be thankful for at least 3 things that happened in your day. Embrace the abundance mindset to receive abundance in your life. To do this, you can practice repeating positive affirmations every single day. Mindset shift number 3, believe in yourself and in the universe. Sorry to say this, but you are constantly self-doubting your abilities, because of which you couldn't manifest your dream life. This self-sabotaging mindset eventually makes you control every detail of your life. Your daily thoughts are like,
what if I fail? How do I buy this when I don't even have the money? What happens when I study for the exam but still the same question doesn't appear?
Stop asking these questions to yourself. The universe has the magical way of unfolding your dreams. Let me give you an example. 2 months before I bought my iPad, my income was not even close to the cost of it. But still, I was manifesting it. Suddenly, I got freelance opportunity which increased my income to 3x. And within the next 30 days, I could afford my iPad. A similar thing happened with manifesting my life partner. I was constantly visualizing him and his qualities despite facing continuous rejections and setbacks. But suddenly, within 20 days, I met him, I got to know him, and our marriage got fixed within 3 months. So believe in yourself and trust the divine timing of the universe. Mindset shift number 4, the self-love mindset. You don't have to prove your worthiness or your existence to the universe in order to manifest your dream life. You are worthy as you are. You are worthy of all your desires. Remember one thing, your current income or your financial status doesn't need to justify the worthiness of manifesting your dream life. So stop seeking external validation from others. Love yourself as you are. Practice self-care, read self-help books, and take care of your mind, body, and soul. Once you start to love yourself wholeheartedly, you won't allow anyone to hurt you, or you won't hurt yourself. Eventually, you will become the magnet to attract all your desires, because joy is the highest frequency to manifest your dream. Chapter 4, the step-by-step guide to creating your vision board. I have put together this guide based on my experience of creating a vision board for the past 5 years. So far, this has worked beautifully for me, and I would like to share this with you. Step number 1, take out your journal and ask yourself, what is the best version of me look like? What does her day look like? What are her habits? What are her dreams? What are her ambitions? What are the people she is close to be with? How does she wind up her day? What food does she consume? How does she style herself? Dig into every possible detail. Don't limit yourself to few pages. Let your imagination flow. This will give you the clear picture of your dream lifestyle. Step 2. Now it's the time to define your 2025 goals. So start with the step 1 of your dream life. For example, if your dream vision is to be healthy and fit, ask yourself, what's the first step towards living that dream life? And this will be your goal for 2025. Ask the same question for every other category of your goals, including health, personal, professional, finance, travel, and fun. Step number 3. Once you make a list of your goals, create a list of your pictures that you want to be there in your 2025 vision board. So refer to your goals and create this list, because this is going to help you in identifying the right pictures for your 2025 vision board. Step number 4, go to Pinterest and search for pictures. Use the word aesthetic at the end of each keyword to get the good pictures. For example, if your goal is to be financially abundant, use the word financial abundance aesthetic to get the good pictures from Pinterest. Now create and add it to your 2025 vision board. Step number 5, while selecting pictures, make sure you are selecting the pictures which looks like from your point of view rather than some random person standing in it. This way, when you are manifesting seeing a vision board, you feel like you are in that reality. Step number 6, it's time to decide the format, physical vision board or digital vision board. For physical vision board, download the pictures, print them, and then add it to the vision board grid, and then you can hang it on your room. You can use an app like Snapstore, which allows you to print pictures in the form of Polaroid. 40 Polaroids cost less than rupees 200. And for the digital vision board, you can use the vision board wallpaper template I have attached in the description box below. Add your pictures to this template and make it as your phone and laptop wallpaper, because constantly you will be on your phone or laptop, so eventually you are manifesting whenever you are seeing it. Also, you can add pictures to your Notion dashboard that I have created specially for you. For iPhone users, you have an additional way to use a vision board. Use the Pinterest widget in your home screen. Every 1 hour, you could see one image of your vision board looping on your home screen. Make sure you keep your board public in order to use this method. Step number 7, make it as an event. Lit a candle, pick your favorite drink, and set up your vision board. Creating a vision board is an act of self-love, so make it as a cozy and comfortable event at your home. Whatever resources I have shared in this video, I'll make sure to link them down in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Chapter 5, mistakes to avoid while creating your vision board. I see so many of you are constantly making these common mistakes, which is preventing you from manifesting your dream life. Mistake number 1, vision board doesn't have to be aesthetic. The purpose of the vision board is to inspire you to take action towards your goals. It doesn't have to be based on a particular color theme or have the coherent aesthetic. So stop wasting time in creating a vision board that has a particular color theme. Your vision board needs to be functional for you to manifest your dream life. Mistake number 2, don't create a vision board when you are in a bad mood. You make sure your energy is high and motivated, because your energy gets reflected into your 2025 vision. Mistake number 3, don't create a vision board in a planner and lock it up. This is why I don't recommend you to create a vision board in your planner, because you need to open it every now and then in order to see that. It is not evidently visible to you. Your vision board should be at a place where you daily see it. This is why phone and laptop wallpapers work. A vision board inside a planner doesn't work. Mistake number 4, don't add too many pictures of a single goal, because this will limit your possibilities of adding pictures of your other goals. Limit to 1 to 2 pictures per goal. Mistake number 5, don't overdo with either pictures or text only. Have a balance of both. Chapter 6, your vision board routine. Once you have created a vision board, you are not done with it yet. Create a habit to discipline yourself to see your vision board every single day to manifest your dream life. The first 20 minutes after waking up is called the alpha stage, where your brain is at the first state. During this time, your brain operates at the rate of 10.5 wave cycles per second. What does this mean? Alpha waves are the sign that your brain is active but completely relaxed. It is associated with the flow state of mind. This is the best time for you to manifest any of your dreams. So make sure to look into your vision board once you wake up. Try to see every picture in your vision board for at least few seconds, imagining living into that reality. Feel all your emotions. Think about what happens if each of your dreams comes. Live in that moment and then kick yourself out of your bed to take action. Even before sleep, the last thing you can do is look into your vision board. so that your subconscious mind will work in ways to favor you in achieving your goals. More than anything, your dreams doesn't come true until or unless you take the action. Like I said earlier, you need to put in the work to manifest your goals. So break down your goals, schedule them in your calendar, and start working on your goals every day. I have created a Notion Goals dashboard, which is a carefully crafted digital goal planner that has sections to recap the previous year, map out your vision, break down your goal, create an action plan, track your goals as weekly milestones and daily tasks at less than the cost of the planner. These resources have personally helped me to plan and achieve all of my goals in the past 5 years. Check out in the description box below and make use of it. Chapter 7, your homework. I don't want you to watch this video and get out with it. So here's a homework to make use of whatever you have learned in the video. Homework task number 1. Task 1. Journal to the prompt. What does the dream version of me look like? Dig into every possible detail and journal it out completely in order to get clarity of your dream vision. Task 2. Find out the step 1 of your dream vision in all your categories like personal, professional, finance, travel, and fun goals, and start collecting pictures for your 2025 vision board. Task 4. Decide the format of your vision board, physical or digital vision board, whichever it is. Create a cozy and comfortable event to set up your vision board. Task 5. Set up your vision board routine. Make sure to look into each picture of your vision board once you wake up and even before you go to sleep. Note it as a habit in your habit tracker so that you don't miss this out. And that's it. We have come to the end of the video. Create your vision board, and I wish all of your dreams come true. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that we could explore self-growth together in 2025.